This is the final video to fix error code 191 when installing Adobe apps. Are you also facing the problem where Adobe apps just won't install and show error code 191? It can be very frustrating, especially when you need the app for work or school. Here's why it happens. This error usually occurs because of a conflict with existing Adobe apps, corrupted installation files, or lack of proper permissions on your computer. You may have seen many solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are complicated and difficult to follow. When I faced this problem, I found a simple trick that solved it quickly. Here's a normal solution you can try. First, uninstall any existing Adobe apps from your PC. Next, go to the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool and run it to remove leftover files. Then, restart your computer and try installing the app again. For most users, this fixes the error code 191 issue. If you wanted to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing all ways to fix error code 191 when installing Adobe apps, comment down below.